In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Manuka Doctor discount codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you'll have to search for Manuka Doctor discount code. Right here, select this website which is called voucher codes. And as you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this one with 10% off, all I have to do is select get code right here, and this is the discount code that I can use and apply on my next purchase in order to get my discount. Also, if we scroll down a little bit, we should be able to find this website right here. And as you can see right here, we also have at least three different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this one at 15% off, all I have to do is select show code right here, and the voucher is going to load. And after that, all I have to do is just copy the discount code and apply it on my next purchase. So after the voucher is going to load up, just click here on this window, and this is a discount code. You can copy it and use it on your next purchase. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.